Okay, so this is some practice for parenthetical expressions, and we're going to see what you can do with them. So in your notebook, go ahead and label this Parenthetical Expressions Practice 1. All right, and here we go. So remember, there are three different ways to write parentheticals, and usually you're going to use three types of punctuation that separates them out. So you'd have a comma, which is by far the most common, parentheses, and then dashes. So take a look at this example. The brand new red fire truck needed a lot of help to put out the massive fire in the old abandoned warehouse. So here's what we'd like you to do. I want you to take a moment, pause the video, write that sentence in the form of a parenthetical expression using what you've learned before. So pause it, hit play when you're done. Okay, so now that you're done, that sentence it should look like this. The red fire truck, which was brand new, needed a lot of help to put out the massive fire in the old abandoned warehouse. Remember that the parenthetical expression is always built around your subject. In this instance, the red fire truck, which was brand new. You might say, well, yeah, but you added a subordinating conjunction. Yep, I did. So that's okay because in this sentence, it makes it make sense. All right? So let's do another one. So same thing. Can you write the sentence using parentheses around the parenthetical? So same sentence, the brand new red fire truck needed a lot of help to put out the massive fire in the old abandoned warehouse. So pause it, rewrite it using parentheses, then hit play again. So that sentence now becomes, the brand new red fire truck needed a lot of help to put out the massive fire in the old abandoned warehouse. Now, I'm not saying I like this form of writing because I don't, but what it does show is it shows the parenthetical, which is the non-essential element. The red fire truck is essential. Without that, the sentence doesn't make sense. But in this instance, it does make a lot of sense. Well, why not this clause? Needed a lot of help to put out the massive fire. Because needed is a verb. And we don't start parenthetical expressions with the verb. Okay, slide 4. Write a parenthetical expression using dashes that fits this sentence. Dashes. The cheetah, the world's fastest land animal, is native to Africa. So go ahead, pause the video, and take a stab at it. So this sentence would become, the cheetah, the world's fastest land animal, is native to Africa. So writing this, pretty straightforward. Okay? All right, when you're done, make sure Mr. Gallagher gets a chance to check you off.